Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow apps to access your microphone on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best results, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go down and select the privacy tile. On the left side, underneath App Permissions, select Microphone. And then on the right side, you want to go and select the Change button for microphone access. Make sure that's toggled on, as well as apps to access your microphone too. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.